Covering over 70% of our planet's surface, the deep ocean remains largely unexplored. Despite its vastness, we have only scratched the surface of understanding what lies beneath. The ocean's depths are a world unto themselves, a place where human presence is rare and fleeting. The sheer scale of the ocean is mind-boggling, with depths reaching over 36,000 feet in places like the Mariana Trench. This immense body of water holds secrets that have eluded us for centuries, and it continues to be a source of fascination and mystery. It is a realm of mystery, teeming with life that has adapted to survive in conditions unimaginable to us land dwellers. The creatures that inhabit these depths are unlike anything we see on the surface. They have evolved in isolation, developing unique traits and behaviors to thrive in an environment that is both hostile and alien. From the tiniest plankton to the largest predators, the deep sea is a complex web of life, each species playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. The deep sea is Earth's last true frontier, a place of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure, and extreme cold. The conditions here are so extreme that they would be lethal to most surface-dwelling organisms. Yet, life persists. The darkness is so complete that it is difficult to imagine a world where sunlight never penetrates. The pressure is immense, equivalent to the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on a single person. And the cold is bone-chilling, with temperatures just above freezing. Despite these challenges, the deep sea is teeming with life, each organism uniquely adapted to its environment. Yet even here, life finds a way. The resilience of these creatures is nothing short of miraculous. They have developed extraordinary adaptations to survive in this harsh environment. Some produce their own light through bioluminescence, creating a mesmerizing display of glowing colors in the darkness. Others have evolved to withstand the immense pressure, with bodies that are flexible and resilient. These adaptations are a testament to the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. Imagine a world without sunlight, where the only illumination comes from the mesmerizing glow of bioluminescent creatures. These organisms produce light through chemical reactions within their bodies, creating a stunning array of colors and patterns. This bioluminescence serves various purposes, from attracting mates to luring prey and deterring predators. It is a beautiful and haunting reminder of the ingenuity of life in the deep sea. Picture vast plains of shimmering sediment, interrupted by towering hydrothermal vents spewing superheated water teeming with bizarre and wonderful life forms. These vents are like underwater geysers, releasing mineral-rich water that supports unique ecosystems. The organisms that live here are unlike any other, thriving in the extreme heat and chemical-rich environment. They include giant tube worms, clams, and shrimp, all of which have adapted to survive in this harsh and unusual habitat. This is the reality of the deep sea, a hidden world that challenges our understanding of life itself. The more we explore, the more we realize how little we know. Each expedition brings new discoveries, from previously unknown species to new insights into the behavior and ecology of deep-sea organisms. The deep sea is a frontier that continues to push the boundaries of our knowledge and imagination. The deep sea is not a barren wasteland. It is a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem, full of life and activity. Coral reefs, for example, can be found at great depths, providing habitat and shelter for a diverse array of marine life. These deep-sea reefs are just as complex and colorful as their shallow water counterparts, supporting a wide range of species and interactions. It is an incredibly diverse ecosystem, home to a bewildering array of creatures, many of which are still unknown to science. From giant squid and colossal crabs to delicate jellyfish, the deep sea is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Each new discovery adds to our understanding of this complex and fascinating world. The giant squid, for example, is a creature of legend, rarely seen by humans but known to inhabit the deep ocean. These massive cephalopods can grow up to 43 feet in length, with eyes the size of dinner plates. Colossal crabs, on the other hand, are armored giants that scavenge the ocean floor, playing a crucial role in the deep-sea ecosystem. And bizarre fish with translucent bodies, adapted to the darkness and pressure of the deep sea. These fish have evolved to be nearly invisible, blending into their surroundings to avoid predators. Their bodies are often delicate and fragile, a stark contrast to the harsh environment they inhabit. Some have large, sensitive eyes to detect the faintest glimmers of light, while others rely on other senses to navigate and find food. The deep sea is a treasure trove of biodiversity. It is a place where life has found a way to thrive against all odds, creating a rich tapestry of organisms and interactions. Each species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role in the health and stability of the ecosystem. The deep sea is a reminder of the resilience and adaptability of life, and the importance of preserving and protecting these unique and fragile environments. These creatures have evolved unique adaptations to survive in this extreme environment, from bioluminescence to pressure-resistant bodies. Their ability to thrive in such harsh conditions is a testament to the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. As we continue to explore and study the deep sea, we gain a greater appreciation for the complexity and beauty of this hidden world. It is a frontier that challenges our understanding and inspires us to look deeper, to seek out the unknown, and to marvel at the wonders of our planet's last frontier. In the absence of sunlight, many deep-sea creatures have developed the remarkable ability to produce their own light through bioluminescence. This phenomenon is not just a simple trick of nature, it is a complex and fascinating adaptation that has evolved over millions of years. This chemical reaction within their bodies creates a dazzling display of light, transforming the inky blackness into a twinkling underwater galaxy. The light produced can vary in color, intensity, and pattern, depending on the species and its specific needs. Some animals use bioluminescence to attract mates, while others use it to lure unsuspecting prey towards their gaping jaws. The mating displays can be particularly elaborate, with intricate patterns of light that signal readiness to potential partners. Imagine a deep-sea anglerfish lurking in the darkness, its bioluminescent lure dangling enticingly above its mouth. This lure is not just a simple light, it can mimic the appearance of small prey, making it even more irresistible to other fish. The unsuspecting prey, drawn to the light, swims straight into the predator's trap. The anglerfish's jaws snap shut with lightning speed, ensuring that the prey has no chance of escape. Other creatures, like the vampire squid, use bioluminescence defensively, releasing a cloud of glowing particles to confuse predators and make a quick escape. This defensive mechanism can be the difference between life and death in the deep sea, where danger lurks around every corner. Bioluminescence is not limited to animals. It is a widespread phenomenon that can be found in various forms of marine life, including plants and microorganisms. Some species of deep-sea bacteria are also bioluminescent, forming symbiotic relationships with fish and other creatures. These bacteria can live in specialized organs, such as light-producing organs called photophores, providing their hosts with a constant source of light in exchange for shelter and nutrients. These bacteria live in specialized organs, providing their hosts with a constant source of light in exchange for shelter and nutrients. This symbiotic relationship is a perfect example of how different species can work together for mutual benefit. This interplay of life and light in the deep sea is a testament to the power of evolution and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. The ability to produce light has allowed these creatures to survive and thrive in one of the most challenging environments on our planet. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest predators, bioluminescence plays a crucial role in the deep-sea ecosystem. Even the smallest organisms, like bioluminescent plankton, contribute to this mesmerizing light show. When disturbed, these tiny creatures emit a burst of light, creating a sparkling effect that can be seen for miles. Bioluminescent jellyfish are another stunning example. Their translucent bodies can light up in a variety of colors, creating a hypnotic display as they drift through the water. These light displays can serve multiple purposes, from attracting mates to deterring predators. Scientists continue to study bioluminescence to understand its many functions and applications. This research not only helps us learn more about the deep sea environment, but also has potential applications in medicine, biotechnology, and environmental monitoring. In the lab, researchers are exploring how bioluminescent proteins can be used in medical imaging, allowing doctors to see inside the human body in new and innovative ways. These proteins could also be used to develop new diagnostic tools and treatments for various diseases. Beyond medicine, bioluminescence has inspired new technologies and materials. Engineers are developing glowing materials for use in everything from emergency signs to sustainable lighting solutions. The possibilities are endless, and the deep sea continues to be a source of inspiration and discovery. As we continue to explore the depths of the ocean, we are constantly reminded of the incredible adaptability and resilience of life. Bioluminescence is just one of the many wonders that the deep sea has to offer, and it serves as a powerful reminder of the beauty and complexity of our natural world. Next time you see the ocean glowing at night, remember the incredible journey of discovery that has brought us to this understanding? The deep sea, with its bioluminescent inhabitants, remains one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring places on Earth. The deep sea presents a unique set of challenges for its inhabitants. This mysterious and largely unexplored world is home to some of the most fascinating and resilient creatures on Earth. The conditions here are extreme, and survival requires extraordinary adaptations. The pressure at these depths is immense, hundreds of times greater than at the surface. Imagine the weight of 1,000 elephants pressing down on you. This crushing force would be unbearable for most surface-dwelling organisms, but deep-sea creatures have evolved to withstand it. The water is frigid, hovering just above freezing. Temperatures can drop to near 0 degrees Celsius, creating a cold, dark, and inhospitable environment. Yet life persists, finding ways to generate heat and conserve energy in these icy depths. Food is scarce, and finding a mate in the vast darkness can be a daunting task. The deep sea is a desert of sorts, where nutrients are few and far between. Creatures must be opportunistic, seizing any chance to feed or reproduce. Yet, over millions of years, life has found remarkable ways to adapt and thrive in this extreme environment. Evolution has crafted a myriad of unique adaptations, allowing these organisms to not only survive but flourish in the deep. Many deep-sea creatures have evolved gelatinous bodies that can withstand the crushing pressure. These soft-bodied organisms, like jellyfish and certain types of squid, are able to maintain their structure without the need for a rigid skeleton. Some, like the blobfish, have sacrificed strong bones and muscles for a body that is less dense than water, allowing them to float effortlessly above the seabed. This adaptation helps them conserve energy in an environment where food is scarce. Others, like the deep-sea hatchetfish, have developed large, upward-facing eyes, perfectly adapted to detect the faintest glimmer of bioluminescence in the darkness above. This ability to see in near-total darkness is crucial for spotting prey and avoiding predators. Food is scarce in the deep sea, so many creatures have developed ingenious ways to secure a meal. Some have evolved to be patient hunters, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to come within striking distance. Some, like the anglerfish, rely on their bioluminescent lures to attract prey. These lures, which dangle from their heads, emit a soft glow that entices smaller fish to come closer, only to be swiftly devoured. Others, like the goblin shark, have extendable jaws that can snap out with lightning speed to catch passing fish. This unique adaptation allows them to capture prey that might otherwise be out of reach. And then, there are the scavengers, like the giant isopods, which roam the seabed, feasting on the carcasses of dead animals that sink down from the surface. These creatures play a vital role in the deep-sea ecosystem, recycling nutrients and keeping the ocean floor clean. Bioluminescence is another fascinating adaptation found in the deep sea. Many creatures produce their own light through chemical reactions, creating stunning displays that can be used for communication, camouflage, or attracting prey. Around hydrothermal vents, where superheated water rich in minerals gushes from the ocean floor, unique communities of life have developed. These vents provide a rare oasis of warmth and nutrients in the otherwise cold and barren deep sea. Tube worms, vent crabs, and other specialized organisms thrive in these extreme conditions, relying on chemosynthesis rather than photosynthesis to produce energy. This process allows them to convert the chemicals from the vent water into food. Human exploration of the deep sea has revealed only a fraction of its mysteries. With each dive, scientists discover new species and gain a deeper understanding of how life can adapt to such extreme environments. The study of deep-sea life not only expands our knowledge of biology and ecology but also inspires new technologies and innovations. By understanding how these creatures survive, we can develop new materials and methods to withstand extreme conditions on Earth and beyond. As we continue to explore and learn about the deep sea, it is crucial to protect these fragile ecosystems. Sustainable practices and conservation efforts are essential to ensure that the wonders of the deep sea remain for future generations to discover and appreciate. The deep sea is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. Despite the harsh conditions, it is a world teeming with diversity and wonder. By studying and preserving this hidden realm, we can unlock the secrets of survival and adaptation in the most extreme environments on our planet.